Okay, in response to requests from some of our customers and the fact that we've now got a race series sorted out for the ZCars to race in, we've modified the standard road going mini kit to make it more suitable for racing. So we've used CDS round tube everywhere, and what we have done, you'll see here, we've brought a bar from the roll cage forwards to the top subframe mounting. If you imagine the bulkhead of the Mini runs sort of round here, and this is that big bolt that holds your front subframe on. So what we've done, we've tied the cage at the top of the roll cage through to the top of the front subframe, and it's still got the integrity of the original Mini steelwork. Then low down, we've put a bar from left to right, which holds the bottom of the tubular front subframe. So in effect, this is going towards a fully space frame car. We've also got a bar running from left to right along the front, and we're using that to mount the steering column on. This means you can lower the column and get the steering wheel a little bit more user-friendly when you're driving it at high speed. We've also put crossed door bars in to give even more stiffness. You see these crossed door bars here. And we've also used on this car a 48mm by 2.6mm rear hoop and brace bars. This is so that the car can race pretty much in any country for the regulations. This car, as you'll see, is fitted with the Honda Civic Type R 2-litre VTEC engine. We've got our 400 2-into-1 stainless exhaust on it. We'll be fitting a Hydra ECU, and just running through the standard throttle body, it will give 235 horsepower and 180 pounds-foot of torque. Up front you can see we've got our round tube front subframe, the pushrod operated height and damping adjustable shock absorbers working through this cantilever arrangement here. You can adjust the ride height by altering this left and right hand thread adjuster. Without even taking the rose joints off, you can lift and lower the ride height of the car. You can also alter the caster of the car by twisting this joint, and down in here there's another joint. You can alter the camber on the car. Everything's adjustable on the car. Bottom wishbones, top wishbones are all rose jointed. So this is really quite a good race type setup. You'll see the front mounted radiator and the fuel tank just behind it. It's pertinent to say at this point that this kit can be fitted in a Mini in exactly the same way as we fit the bolt-in kits. It's a little bit tighter to get in, but it will slide in through the same aperture that you'd cut for a normal Mini, in the back, and bolt down to the floor pan, and away you go. This particular kit, the Honda VTEC, comes with the big brake package at the front, which has got 260mm discs, Willwood 4-pot calipers, alloy bells, alloy mounting brackets, and it's all part of the race package that we've put together for the VTEC car. On the engine front, in the VTEC package we include the limited slip diff, which is a plate type, similar to the one we put in the Monte Carlo. We've uprated the drive shafts. It's got a Willwood bias valve in the braking system so that you can balance the front to rear bias on the brakes. And also, whilst on the braking front, we use an AP master cylinder, which gives a better feel on the pedal. So the braking setup's sorted out for you in this kit, and it's all part and parcel of the kit. The cost of this kit is £7,600, including the VAT.